ओके ओके जी। हाँ वो मूवमेंट के लिए आपका रिक्वायरमेंट लगा दो। ओके मैम, थैंक यू सो मच। या निर्देशन सर हैज जॉइंड। की आवाज बंद कर दी। Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir. Yes, sir. Your voice is clear. Yeah, your voice is clear, sir. Your voice is clear, sir.
Obviously. Yes, ma'am. We have done it right now. उसे म्यूट कर दीजिए मैम दूसरे सेशन को। Yeah, it has been done, ma'am. It has been done.
Okay. Hello, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. You are not visible, Kasturi, ma'am. You are not visible.
कस्तूरी मैम इज नॉट। नहीं कस्तूरी मैम को बोल रही हूँ। We should just take the video. I'm telling about the video. We should just take the video.
So, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Moving to which
We have to, it is in the system actually. It is needed.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
And this has been rejected on, I think, there are 59 points on the basis of rejection points, for which we are here for the review committee. And I would like to thank all the members who accept this assignment. And please, the school people, introduce yourself to the members along with your icons. And principal, just brief about yourself from how long Pushpa Bhatt, so that you can introduce by saying how long you are associated with the school. And introduce yourself. Members, please.
Hello.
I can't दिखा दे.
Yes.
तो दादी जी मैम आप फिर लग
Hello. Hello, ma'am.
ना मैडम आप बताते जाएंगे.
My name is Pushpa Vijay. My joining date. Hello. My joining date January 98.
Yes.
My date of birth 5th April 67.
Madam said how long you will in this school and what is your specialization. थोड़ा सा बताइए, इतना ज़्यादा मतलब आप
मैडम 90 मैंने M.Com BA बिजनेस एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन में किया मैडम। हेलो। और जनवरी 98 से मैंने प्रिंसिपल की पोस्ट ज्वाइन की।
ठीक है विजय वर्गीस सर, यू आर द मैनेजर ऑफ दिस स्कूल।
Yeah, ma'am. Ravi Vijay Varghese.
Can we start?
Yeah.
So members, first there are documentation of this school. There is a two portion of documentation. The school has not approved in the safe drinking water and sanitation certificate. I think now they have.
I hope it's there, ma'am, now.
Yeah, it's there, but we need that. Yes.
Yeah.
Members, please go through it. Yes, yes, ma'am.
Validity of this
This is 29 March 2025, sir.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Signing authority is assistant engineer of PHED, जन स्वास्थ्य अभियांत्रिक विभाग, पब्लिक हेल्थ एंड इंजीनियरिंग डिपार्टमेंट।
Okay, madam. You already uploaded this.
Yeah.
It's there, sir. It's there in the MPD.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, ma'am.
And now you have to approve this once this meeting is concluded.
Sure.
Members will allow for the approving.
Sure.
And at that time you have to approve this document also.
Sure,
So now
ma'am.
next document is the next document is payment to the teacher and the staff is less than the prescribed state government scale. And the ESI, that is 8 point.
Okay.
Facility or not
So we-
available.
So we are moving to
Show
the.
the proof.
So, ma'am, we are moving to the 8th point now directly. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Because that is the documentation portion. So first we'll cover the documentation portion, then we'll go to the infrastructure.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Sir,
The document which has been bold, MBI Senior Secondary School has safe drinking water facilities for the students and members of the staff of the institution. The school also maintains the hygienic sanitation conditions in the school building and the campus as per norms prescribed by the central/state government.
We have reports.
the my question or doubt is, have a separate city, what separate water.
Chemical examination of water.
इसके बिहार पर ही
No, what sir is telling is,
Yeah.
normally they will give safe drinking water one certificate and sanitation is the other certificate. That's what he wants to say. But
Okay.
when authorities are given both in one certificate also, it's okay, sir.
This is according to the prescribed.
Yes, ma'am.
But ma'am, I think isn't not according to the prescribed format.
No, it is prescribed format only.
Okay, thank you so
Before we go
much.
to the next one, you have mentioned safe drinking water as well as sanitation certificate. So
Yeah.
both included in that. It's all right.
Okay,
Yeah.
ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Then we go to the 8-point map. Members? Yes. That is the documentation portion. That's why I should, that's valid. Yeah. Yes. So, रवि विजय वर्गीस जी और प्रिंसिपल
Yes,
पुष्पा
sir.
मैडम, आप
Yes.
सैलरी के बारे में बताइएगा.
Yes, ma'am. I'm just
Documentation portion.
reaching to the. Yeah.
We are showing the, we are sharing the screen. Sir,
We are just sharing the documents regarding that, ma'am.
पहले पीएफ चालान करो.
Deficiency letter.
पीएफ का चालान, पीएफ का चालान, पीएफ का चालान।
सर थोड़ा सा
नहीं ये तो स्टेटमेंट है, नीचे आओ।
टॉप एट द हाँ टॉप में
टॉप पे
Scroll-
आइए,
scroll
स्क्रॉल
up
करते हुए टॉप पे आइए।
टॉप पे थोड़ा सा जूम कीजिएगा ताकि आपको दिखे
या इज इट क्लियर सर नाउ?
it's ज़्यादा zoom कर दिया.
अच्छा, थोड़ा सा कम कर दीजिए, सम पार्ट ऑफ द डॉक्यूमेंट इज कट। ओके सर।
salary statement and yes.
Should
So
I-
it is as per with the government schemes,
Yes.
state government rules.
So-
Obviously, it's as per 7th pay commission, ma'am.
Okay, right. Okay. And through which bank you are dealing, sir?
बड़ौदा क्षेत्रीय ग्रामीण बैंक।
उसका सर्टिफिकेट है सर आपके पास?
अपलोडेड है पर
It has been already uploaded, ma'am.
नहीं, members को भी दिखाना होगा कि that is the date.
Okay, just give me 5 minutes. I'll get it from my second office, ma'am.
So this was related to the PF.
Yes. It's coming down in the PDF, sir.
But this statement doesn't cover every staff.
PDF has been opted by selected number of staff members, no, sir. All those who are falling below the range,
10 teachers.
10 teachers are there who are going for PF. I'm just scrolling down.
Rest of others denied.
I'm just scrolling down this salary statement.
बैंक सर्टिफिकेट है ना, बैंक का भी
सर है
बैंक का लगा।
This is the check which was used. One of the question was there
Bank
regarding
certificate, bank certificate.
bank.
फिजिकली दिखाना है तो
हाँ इसका दिखा
फिर वो स्क्रीन शेयरिंग स्टॉप करनी पड़ेगी।
Okay, उसके अभी बाद में दिखा देते हैं।
रवि सर को लिख के दे दो, 10 लोगों का पीएफ करते हैं, बाकी लोग मना करते
Sir, this is the account statement of the teachers. This is our
Sir, how
account
many
statement.
teachers are there, sir?
Pardon,
Number
ma'am?
of teachers?
Overall
Number of
teachers,
teachers.
number of teachers is the PGTs are 18.
हैं।
Okay.
So you total we are having 70 academic staff.
Total number of teachers.
Total academic staff is 70 and non-academic is 18, ma'am. The total staff is 88.
Okay. Right, sir.
Now we are moving to the. This is again the part of salary only.
Okay.
ECS ECS वाला
Ma'am, ECS वाला फाइल
हाँ आगे करो
आगे
आगे
करो,
आगे
नीचे
नहीं है।
नीचे
That
करो
is
नीचे
right. I think all
नहीं
the
है।
salaries
नीचे
are
करो,
going to
नीचे
bank.
करो, ऊपर
That
तो-
is clear. And our next question is,
हाँ,
what
और-
about EPF facility?
Yes, I'm just sharing the document regarding PDO,
बोलो।
PF.
नीचे लाओ, सर को इंस्ट्रक्शन।
मैम ये मर्ज वाली फाइल नहीं है ना?
नीचे वो 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 डाउन 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 करो डाउन दूसरी फाइल निकालो इसी ये तो सैलरी वाली ये वो इनसे वाली फाइल निकालो
हाँ ये मर्ज नहीं है, that's what I'm telling. मैम वो जो उसकी है
वो
ना?
वाली पीएफ
हाँ।
इसमें 12 सिंगल पीडीएफ निकालो ना।
हाँ निकालो निकालो
Sir, this is the Provident Fund code number intimation letter, which is right now on the screen.
Okay.
Applied for it in the month of January, received it in the month of January 23.
वो नंबर नीचे नीचे करो
नीचे।
ये नंबर
नंबर दिखाओ नंबर.
ऊपर जाओ, जरा सा इसी पेज के ऊपर लास्ट लाइन और ऊपर चलो.
Application code number we have to give them,
हाँ
na?
हाँ ऊपर जाओ, ऊपर जाओ ऊपर.
Should I tell you the code number, ma'am?
Able to see, ma'am. Myself able to see. I have a bigger screen now, sir.
Okay. So may I scroll down now? Hello?
Yes, please.
Okay,
Yes, yeah.
okay,
You
okay.
can scroll down.
Okay.
ये जिनका पेपर पड़ रहा है. Okay.
These are the persons whose PF is being deducted and deposited.
How many teachers, ma'am?
10, ma'am.
Out of 70, 10 you are giving.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what is the entitlement criteria that you have fixed for?
So basically we are moving along with the criteria of the government that whomsoever is having the salary below 21,000, they are considered in the category, and the rest of them who have given their choice for deduction of PF.
But now that we are deducting for all the staff who are on board.
They are not interested.
No, but we asked them once, but they didn't show their interest in deduction of the PF amount.
But it is like that because who all are working, the PF will be automatic. It is.
Pardon,
Nothing to
ma'am?
do with the choices. Nothing to do with the choice, no, sir.
Yes, ma'am, that is why I am asking.
That's what, sir.
No, but whose salary is about 21,000, they have the choice, ma'am.
Do you have any minimum service period for them to be included in the PF?
Actually, not as such, it has not yet been.
State board
According to the state.
Because the record is saying their entitlement is taken into consideration. What is your entitlement policy for including a staff in PF stream?
For right now, we were having the state board school, and our policy right now was that whomsoever was having the salary above 25, below 21,000, we had compulsory PF deduction for that particular person.
So you fix that criteria. Is that criteria reflected anywhere in the document that you are uploading regarding EPF for the staff?
EPF also we have.
Is that criteria?
Fixed for entitlement in your document, right? So let it be on record.
Pardon, sir, I didn't get you.
Sir, you have fixed this criteria, salary scale and service period as a criteria for the entitlement, right? Can
Okay.
you specify that in the document that you are uploading for the record?
What do you want this?
I'm not getting your point,
सर वो
sir.
कह रहे हैं
जी.
सर मैं ज्यादा वो ये कह रहे हैं कि जहाँ आपने कहा ना कि 21,000 से कम जो भी ले रहे हैं उनको ऑप्शन दिया जा रहा है
उनको तो
opt
compulsory
or not to. ऐसा आपको कहीं लिखा है?
नहीं नहीं, उनका तो कंपलसरी है ही ना, मैम. जिनका 21 के ऊपर है तो आई थिंक इट्स अ गवर्नमेंट पॉलिसी, मैम.
It's a choice.
That's what sir is asking. अगर कोई गवर्नमेंट पॉलिसी है तो आप देख सकते हैं क्या?
क्या कह रहे हैं? उसको आप
We'll contact PF department once, and उसके बाद उन्हीं से हम कोई ऐसा डॉक्यूमेंट हमें मिल सकता है, मैम. Because this is the prevailing policy which we have observed.
That is true, sir. We are not telling wrong in this. We are following. You may be following right.
Okay.
But for us to strengthen your point,
Okay,
if you
okay,
have any
okay.
document or statement, it will be easier for you.
Ma'am, can you give us a 24 hours to arrange such a document? We can upload it later on.
Sir. No, today only we have to complete it, isn't it?
Okay. So you need a document.
Can I get Afterwards they can submit, no problem. Madam, you can just give them an option by giving an undertaking that they will submit this kind of documents, what the members have asked, they will give an undertaking. That
Okay.
we will submit within the prescribed limit. That
Sure.
means-
We will submit an undertaking within today.
So right now school will be giving an undertaking, then we will submit the documentation portion as the member has asked. That point you have to give an undertaking.
Okay.
So that point is to be noted by the school, that undertaking they will be giving for the EPF facility.
Okay.
Because today only everything has to be done. That's what. So you have to give an undertaking.
Sure, ma'am.
So Vijay Bali sir, you please note down that you have to give the undertaking in your letterhead.
Sure, ma'am. I have noted it down.
Seeking the information and you will be submitting the documents.
Sure, ma'am.
Madam, the undertaking can be in any one of the form, either the document that the state board is stating accordingly, or according to what they have fixed, that also can be recorded. Anything.
Yeah, anything. Yes, you are right. Vijay Bali sir, अपलोड कर दीजिएगा सर.
जी मैम, I have noted it down.
हाँ, तो अंडरटेकिंग आप अभी जैसे अपलोडिंग का ऑप्शन देंगे मेंबर्स, तो उसके साथ ये अंडरटेकिंग भी आप अपलोड करेंगे.
Sure.
Can we go for the next point?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So,
Yes, sir.
yes. Now we have completed the documentation portion. Now we'll go for the infrastructure. Visually, we'll check the infrastructure.
Sorry,
Permission.
see, the average scale is fixed for teachers from 14,000 to even 6,000. Are they coming under this for 15,000 also is as per the government scale? It seems to be the minimum. When there's a maximum of 20 to 36,000. Are these teachers earning 14,000 covered as per the pay scale? Because they said 7th pay commission scale they are giving. I'm saying categories of the cases with joint 14,000 also.
Sir, your voice, I'm not. Sir, may you please repeat, sir? Actually, voice is not clear.
Sir, what sir is telling is, in your list, you are following the 7th pay commission.
Okay. Okay.
So that 7th pay commission definitely below 21,000 maybe may not be there for most of the people.
Okay.
Because here
That
the
may be the
ratio
mistake,
here
ma'am.
is 70 children, 70 staff members are there. Out of that, only 10 you are giving the EPF. Okay? That's why our concern is that any other more, because you told one more word, we have given the option. I don't know option facility is there or not. But some more people can come in this category for getting the PF, what sir says. Okay?
Okay.
You can answer now.
आई थिंक ऑलमोस्ट जितने भी हमारे उस कैटेगरी में आ रहे थे मैम, वो सब तो हमने कवर किए हुए हैं. बट वी कैन वंस मोर टॉक टू ऑल द टीम मेंबर्स इन दैट पर्टिकुलर केस.
The question is,
आई थिंक अगेन आई एम नॉट एबल टू गेट योर क्वेश्चन.
See sir, what we felt is, out of 70 members, only giving to 10 members seems to be less.
Say less, more people might be eligible.
You understood?
हाँ.
This point you understood?
Yes.
My second point is, you are following the 7th pay commission. 7th pay commission, it will not go below 21,000. So most of the people in this category, that is what you have shown us. है ना? ये भी समझ में आया होगा?
Okay.
so we 21,000.
This is the thing.
Okay.
That's why we feel that few more people may get the PF, EPF, whatever it is called. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Everybody is getting.
सर अभी 7th पे कमीशन के मुताबिक सैलरी 14,000 एक साल को नहीं हो सकता.
नहीं,
लेकिन
नहीं,
आपका
सर,
स्टेटमेंट में स्टाफ ऐसे भी हैं जो 14,000 भी ले रहे हैं.
वो प्योन से सर.
क्या वो 7th पे कमीशन में सैलरी
सर वो 4th क्लास, सर पियॉन्स और बाईजीज हैं सर वो.
देख लीजिएगा. ठीक है मैडम, we'll go further.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
We discuss anything about ESIC, madam.
Okay.
Yes,
ESIC facility to the staff.
We are just sharing the documents, sir.
7.
इसमें scroll करो.
ESI document share कीजिए.
इसमें scroll करो.
सर आप बता सकते हैं कितने स्टाफ ये सही से
सेवन लोगों का ESI डिडक्ट हो रहा है सर अभी और डिपॉजिट हो रहा है।
ये सबके लिए अनिवार्य है, ये सर्विस का तो इसमें शामिल होना अनिवार्य है।
हाँ
Yes. Yes.
यस
नीचे लाओ ना, ऐसे क्या पता है जिसमें अभी आपने पेयर दिखाया ना उसमें ये सही है। ये रहा, ये पेयर पे ऊपर चलाओ और ऊपर चलाओ।
नहीं अब नीचे जा रहे हैं।
चलो ये सही है क्या? ठीक है, ये पेज ये सही करा,
ये सर
ये चालान है, इसके ऊपर उसका लेटर है।
सर दिस इज द चालान।
ये नाम आ जाएंगे।
These are the names of the person whose ESI is being deducted and deposited.
सर ये जितने भी साथ टीचर्स हैं, जितने भी कितने साल से हैं स्कूल में?
सर ये स्कूल लास्ट ईयर हमने इस बिल्डिंग में शिफ्ट किया है, तो ये लोग तो करीब करीब 1 से 1.5 साल 2 साल मान लीजिए हमारे साथ किया। आई हैव टू जस्ट सी द एग्जैक्ट डेट्स।
अभी क्या कारण है बाकी लोग ये सही से कवर नहीं हो रहे हैं?
हाँ
Yes.
नहीं बाकी लोग क्यों नहीं, वो तो बाकी
से ऊपर है ना?
उनकी सैलरी 15,000 के ऊपर आ रही है सर बाकी की।
So there is a criteria.
Yes.
दिस इज व्हाट
We have tried this.
ओके ओके, तो ये भी एक क्राइटेरिया है, इसको भी आपको डिक्लेरेशन के रूप में दिखाना है।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल सर, आई टेक अ नोट ऑफ इट।
ओके सर,
बिल्कुल सर, आई टेक अ नोट ऑफ इट एंड विद इन टुडे आई विल इंश्योर दैट इट दिस हैपेंस।
So till that ESI declaration, ESI.
Can you move on madam further?
या इसको उस पर ले लीजिए सर। अभी हमें केवल एक अंडरटेकिंग बनाना है कि विल प्रोवाइड सच ए डॉक्यूमेंट। जस्ट अ मोमेंट में सर, मैं आई हैव अ क्वेश्चन टू सर। दोनों के लिए अंडरटेकिंग तो एक ही बनेगा ना या अलग अलग?
अलग अलग दे दीजिए सर। गवर्नमेंट का पॉलिसी दिखाइए या आप जो फॉलो कर रहे हैं उसको दिखाइए।
हाँ।
में कोई है।
ठीक है, थैंक यू सो मच सर। सर नाउ प्लीज यस।
अभी आप कहाँ पे कौन सा आसपास जो पढ़ेगा क्या पढ़ेगा आप? सब कंपोजिट्स लैब पढ़ेगा, मैथ्स लैब, साइंस लाइब्रेरी या फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री बायो लैब? जो लैब पास पढ़ेगा वहाँ से शुरू कीजिएगा।
मैम सारा लेफ्ट से है तो पास और दूर से फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा।
लिफ्ट सर
ठीक है सर, तो आप दिखा दीजिएगा मेन गेट से शुरू होकर व्हील चेयर के साथ।
ओके
आपको टॉयलेट सब दिखानी है।
हाँ।
और मेन गेट पे चले जाइएगा। गेट को दिखाते हुए, बोर्ड को दिखाते हुए व्हील चेयर के साथ सारे फ्लोर्स में टॉयलेट्स, रैंप, ये सब दिखाना होगा सर।
तो वुड यू लाइक टू हैव इट फ्लोर वाइज और यू विल लाइक टू हैव इट लिस्ट वाइज?
Sir, you start from the gate.
ओके श्योर।
Name of the school, complete address of the school, whatever it is, along with the wheelchair,
ओके
and we proceed from there.
ओके मैम you have to print it once to get the picture, larger image. वो जो कॉर्नर में छोटा इमेज आ रहा है ना, are you able to see the complete image? रोड आएगा
कैमरा फोकस कीजिए। दसों को पहुंचने के लिए जो रोड है
हाँ ये व्हील का mountain 8 feet. Total pillars are of about 10 feet.
We'll close the door.
Gate 1 feet, gate 1 feet.
Now open. Is it okay, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Now we are entering to the school.
This is our gate, first entry gate of the school. Wheelchair is moving. I think इधर से दिख रहा है.
Yes, sir.
You know what you would like to see first?
So what are you going to do on this top?
We are having see the fluorescent toilets.
How many, where are your labs? Shall we go to labs?
Okay, then let's move to labs first. Sir, labs में
In the ground floor?
no, it is on second floor.
So there will be coming.
But we are having the lift, ma'am. There is no issue in that. Whenever you are comfortable, we can go that way.
No, no, not like that, sir. This is complete the first floor. And your composing lab where there is computer lab,
A computer lab and library.
station. Yeah.
Computer lab and my library are on first floor. All 5 labs are on second floor.
Yeah, then we will see the computer lab. First we will computer lab will be complete, then we will come to the library. Alright?
Okay, and we are having.
First floor we are having CWSN. You have to see that.
Pardon, sir?
this small facility is floor by floor.
Okay, we want to go floor wise. Okay. So sir, right now we are on the ground floor. This is the gallery of our ground floor, and I am moving towards the CWSN toilets of ground floor.
Washroom for girls.
This is washroom for girls. I'll just try to make it clear. We are entering into it. We'll just repeat the flow of the wheelchair. And now we are moving to the CWSN toilet of girls on ground floor.
Can we have any lady to show this?
Okay. Anuradha ma'am, pardon?
Yes.
They want some lady to show this. To show that wheelchair part. Ma'am, may I leave the camera inside?
Yeah. Still you have to go to the inside, yeah?
Yeah.
The photos are available inside.
Yeah.
Sir, these are the manuals for the students both the ways. They can.
Okay.
What's this?
So what is the dimension of this?
Sir, I can. Sir, it is 5 by 7. It's more than 5 by 7. This is the wash basin out there separately for this particular washroom. May I move out, ma'am?
Now you can go.
Sure. Okay, now we'll go to CWSN toilet of boys. Understand? Sure, ma'am. This is the washroom, boys.
It's a flat floor, I think.
Almost zero level, ma'am.
Okay.
The wheelchair movement.
Right.
This is the CWSN toilet, and this is the movement of the wheelchair.
Okay.
Regarding facilities, again all those liners have been placed. Two handles are there in this side, then one is there this side. Separate wash basin for this particular toilet. This is even bigger than the earlier one, sir.
Is it the same floor?
No, sir. It is on second floor. First floor. But I didn't get your question, sir.
That's okay. We'll see that when we go to second floor.
May you please repeat your point, sir? I think I didn't get you.
CWSN girls toilet. Is it not in the first floor?
Sir, it is in the ground floor, sir.
बहुत
That's what.
इसके जस्ट पहले वही दिखा था सर मैंने आपको। जहाँ मैम ने मुझे इंस्ट्रक्ट किया था कि किसी फीमेल को अंदर जाने दे दिए देखने के लिए। Should I go back once again? Obviously separate washrooms are there. Now let me add this. These are the washrooms for general students. So this particular is the washroom of boys only. Whether we see CWSN or not, in both the cases this is the washroom for boys only, and this particular has been developed for the CWSN students. Same was the case for the girls. Same was the case for the girls. If you want, I can make you see it again. If there is any query.
No, sir. CWSN we have seen already, and the Navajaya participation.
Okay.
For girls.
Okay. They want to see general ones. So these are the general ones. Urinals for the boys.
Yeah.
This is the hand wash area.
Okay.
Then this is the drinking water area. So these are boys' washroom and these are girls' washrooms. And we are just moving once again to the girls' washroom because that time I already showed you the CWSN toilets. Now I am showing you the general toilets now. General lavatories are there. 4 of them are there apart from the CWSN.
Yes, sir. You have the exhaust fans also, yeah?
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah.
You're very good. Yeah. Right.
Okay. Ma'am, there is a question on digital board. So we have planted a new digital board on the ground floor also. So I just we just need sir वो digital board को start करवा दीजिए अगर नहीं हुआ है तो ऑन करवा दीजिए जल्दी से ताकि हम उसको दिखा सकें जी
Now, after I said that,
ओके
the drinking water facility.
ओके this was the board but I will move to drinking water facility.
Yeah, that we will contact you. Drinking water facility and fire extinguishers, if you can contact us, we will be able to see the drinking water facility.
Fire extinguisher, we are having more than 10 fire extinguisher in the complete building now. And we are having separate firefighting system. Pardon? अच्छा अच्छा आप खोल के दिखाना है Okay, sir, what is the instruction from me, sir?
First floor, sir.
Should maybe go to the first floor now?
No, you told in the ground floor you have the, what is that, library and computer lab.
That is on first floor now.
Okay, first floor. Okay, we can go to first floor.
Pardon? सर हमने हमारे जो 4 फ्लोर है सभी पर अभी एक डिजिटल क्लासरूम इंस्टॉल किया है नया सर अभी तो क्लासेस की तो छुट्टी चल रही है बट आई विल कॉल एनीवन ऑफ माय टीचर्स टू गिव द डेमो
It's all done. You can cover the class. Cover it.
ओके so should I move to the first floor first ma'am or should I cover the classroom first? Okay. We are moving into the lift. The wheelchair is being moved into the lift.
लैब में है ना
And you have simultaneous staircase also.
Yeah, 2 staircases are there, ma'am.
Okay.
I'll just, if you feel like, I'll just give you a view of the staircase also.
This is you cover our staircase.
Such 2 staircases are there, ma'am.
Okay, right, sir.
This is 3, 4. सर ये चेयर्स को थोड़ा सा इधर कीजिए नीचे सीपीयू वगैरह सब नजर आ रहा है 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, this is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, this one is 16, 17, 25. Then we are having these three computers are on this side. This is 26, 27, 28, and there is a center rack for the. This is 29. 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, and now I'm going behind those computers in the center. This is 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, and 40. So let's just for your view, this is the center lane of the computers now. Size is 26 feet into 28.5 square feet.
Right side. हाँ, fire extinguisher.
Fire extinguisher.
We'll definitely do it, sir, as per your instructions.
ये fire extinguisher.
Sir, 1399 as on today. This is the fire extinguisher in the computer lab.
So first to tell you how it's
Yes, sir.
first to
This is for the validity that extinguisher purpose.
Pardon, sir?
Expiry date.
Okay, sir.
कैमरा इस साइड है आपका
नहीं ठीक है बिल्कुल सही है
नहीं
सही है,
दिख रहा होगा
नहीं वो रोटेशन अलग आता है शायद. Yes, sir. Sir, 5 March 2025. Is it clear, sir?
Yes, sir. We are very clear.
Now maybe move to our library.
Yes. But here, the internet connectivity, what are
Sure, ma'am. I'll show you the complete server. Lane keeper is there. We have even ensured AC is there in further process. Which switch, ma'am? Ajay. So the complete server is there. Sir, teachers are free to use any of the computer. Pardon, sir? Some network issue is happening, sir. Sir,
चल रहा है
may we move to library, ma'am? We are moving to the library. Let me show you the. That is the exhaust at the entry of the library. You would like to have the expiry date.
fine, sir. You can show it.
Yes, ma'am. I'll show it. It is 12/12/2024.
Right.
Okay, ma'am.
साइलेंस दिखा देते हैं
This is our laboratory. I'll just try to give you the. Let's see the fire extinguisher inside the library also, ma'am.
That is okay, sir.
Okay. These are the. This is the overview of our lab, ma'am. Yes, obviously, stools have been replaced by these black chairs. I'll just. Yes. They all have been changed.
Okay.
Anything else, ma'am?
You have a separate place for the what is reflected.
The library can you show the section of the parallel including India
So sections we are having subject wise in the library, because right now till now we were following the state board books.
Okay, the library is sitting now.
Yeah.
Let me speak to her.
Okay. Ritu ma'am, please.
Simon?
Seema ma'am, please come. She is assistant librarian and she is librarian.
Sir, can you speak to her?
Yeah, they are available, sir. Please.
Hello, madam.
Good afternoon, sir.
Madam, totally how many books you have in your library?
11,327, sir. 11,327.
Okay, switch over and get the how many books are of CBSE editions and CBSE curriculum library?
Yes, sir.
You have publications for state board as well as CBSE, right?
CBSE बोर्ड RBSE
अभी तो RBSE है सर
RBSE
हमारा.
सर अभी
ठीक है सीबीएसई का भी कुछ बुक्स है क्या?
कुछ NCERT बुक्स शायद वो
NCERT
मैम
है मैम थोड़ी है और कुछ RBSE है ऑलमोस्ट RBSE है वैसे ऑलमोस्ट RBSE
CBSE surplus publications का कोई फाइल मेंटेन है लाइब्रेरी में?
नहीं सर, अभी लाइब्रेरी में ऐसा कुछ भी मेंटेन नहीं है इसमें.
Sir, how many periodicals are published there?
नंबर ऑफ पीरियडिकल्स बताइए मैम. अराउंड बता दीजिए. नंबर बता दीजिए.
ये
नंबर
बताऊँ
वो दिखाओ.
ये 4
जो पीरियडिकल्स दे आर आस्किंग फॉर. अरे मैगजीन्स दिखाने.
मैम मैम
मैगजीन्स का नंबर बताना है केवल. दे आर नॉट आस्किंग फॉर एनीथिंग एल्स.
ऐसे बोलो ना, बताओ ना.
5 पीरियडिकल्स है ना. हाँ, पांचों बता दो आप.
5 है आजतक पत्रिका में दैनिक भास्कर, टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया, दैनिक नवज्योति.
Okay. In that case, you have to still procure the CBSE reference books or books. Okay, you have any separate space for the staff members? The library?
Yeah, the sitting is clear. This is the staff members space. Let me just show you. सर कैमरा इशू है मयंक सर. ये लीजिए. This is the space for staff members and this was the state for okay. But I can hear you, ma'am. Hello.
I can hear you, but yes, I can hear you.
Okay, just a moment, ma'am. I'll just consult my technical
No
consultant.
issue, sir, no issue. Take your time.
Ma'am, sir, please help me out. Ma'am can hear me, but she is not able to see me. And even I am also having the same issue.
सर मैम बिल
दिख ही नहीं पा रहा है. बस आप लोग. Can you see me, ma'am?
Yeah.
So now it's okay. May I start again?
No, please.
Yeah, ma'am. This was the space for the staff.
Okay, sir.
And these two spaces are for the students. The complete system is there. Then this is there. All these chairs have been changed. I'll just make you a tour once so that you will have the idea. We are having extra sitting space here also. Then this side of the it is going on. Then this side here having the yeah. This is the
You
wheelchair.
mentioned here again where is your math lab, sir?
Math lab is on second floor.
Opposite science lab.
Second floor.
It is a, okay, we will go to second floor now.
Right now we have to say CWS and toilets of this first floor now.
Yeah.
Earlier we saw from the ground floor. This is the sanitary machine for the girls. This is CWS and toilet for girls. Sir, maybe after movement of wheelchair.
We are unable to hear, sir. Once again, please repeat it.
We are having the movement of the wheelchair. This is the CWS and toilet for girls. But I can see you, ma'am, and I am able to hear you also. Mayank sir, some net problem is there. उन्हें नहीं दिख पा रहा है, हमें दिख रहा है. उन्हें भी problem. Is it okay, ma'am?
ऊपर हो
Can you hear us, sir?
Yeah, sir.
ऊपर दिखाओ ऊपर साइड हो चलो देखो नीचे चेयर का मूवमेंट को नीचे
So now we'll go to CWS and toilet of the boys. This is our first floor gallery one. And moving towards the washroom for boys. Yes sir, wheelchair लाइए साथ में. This is the washroom for boys. Girls we have already seen. Now we are. This is the.
वीडियो बार बार रुक रहा है.
थोड़ा लग
Ma'am, हाँ तो is it okay now?
No, it's freeze. The video is freeze now.
Video is freeze. Let me have a moment, ma'am. Mayank sir, please help me.
ये ना इसने
We are visible.
Is it okay, ma'am, now?
no, sir.
No. अभी भी नहीं होता है.
Now it is something as the, but still there is this problem. Please proceed.
This is boys' washroom, ma'am. We are just here and we are moving with our wheelchair. This is the wheelchair movement. Then we are moving straight to our CWS toilet. This is the toilet, the movement of wheelchair. The movement of the wheelchair inside the toilet. Then these are the facilities. That stand is there, this side, stand on that side, wash basin, the exhaust is there, simple dustbins as required, they are there. So now we will be moving to the second floor. Sir, will you take the lift?
Okay.
Yeah. Ma'am, we are having a digital board on the first floor. Boards. They all are having Wi-Fi facility, sir. I'll just show the Wi-Fi router, sir. We are having Wi-Fi on every floor. So all the 4 digital boards are having their own. This is the digital board, sir.
Okay, sir.
Sir, we have just purchased them last month. So we'll arrange the content according to our requirements now.
The content you're showing, that is preloaded content or teacher generated content?
Actually, this is a preloaded one, sir. Ma'am, ये आपका बनाया हुआ है या नेट का है? Sir, my teacher has prepared it. I just checked it again. The teacher was standing, she herself has prepared it.
Fine, sir. Fine. So what are the
Next will be our
second floor?
garden, ma'am.
What all are there in this floor, sir?
This floor is complete, ma'am. Now we'll go to second floor. It is on second floor. All 5 labs are on second floor.
Okay, right.
Now we are moving into the lift for the second floor. This was our first floor. After the CWS and toilets, they are on the way. We have prepared separate toilets for CWS and students. This is CWS and toilet boys. Such network issue. Now is it connected again, ma'am? So this is, let me sir थोड़ा सा repeat करेंगे. So ma'am, this is CWS toilet boys, and we are entering. I'm moving inside the toilet. This is the exhaust of the toilet. Then this is the commode. These are the stands along with the toilet. This is the wash basin. Sir, this way. Now we'll move to CWS toilet of girls. Pardon? Yeah. We are moving to CWS toilet of girls. This is the written name plate. Then, sir, movement of the wheelchair.
And every floor we have the drinking water.
Yeah. On all floor we are having drinking water.
Okay, right.
These are the stands. This is the exhaust. This is wash basin. And now we are moving to physics lab now. Acha, we are having digital room also on second floor. That is also falling in the way. Okay, ma'am. On 5 labs, ma'am. Sir, wheelchair, labs में लीजिए wheelchair को भी. Ma'am, this is the gate number 1 of physics lab. The second door is there. We'll exit from that one only. This is the movement of wheelchair if you want to see in the lab. 0 level. It's 0 level. Yeah, these are the equipments, ma'am, which is now I'm showing you. camera is stuck. Mayank sir, the
Mayank.
camera is stuck. Please help me out.
कैमरा
कैमरा वहाँ फ्रीज हो गया उनके स्क्रीन पर.
नेट चेंज होगा ना इसलिए।
उनको आ रहा है स्वाद चलो
दोस्ती पक्की हो गई इसमें.
ऐसा मजा नहीं आ रहा
I'm once again starting from the gate of physics lab. This is physics lab. This is gate number 1. This is the entry. This is the 0 level. If you want, we can move the wheelchair also. Okay. Now about the instruments. अच्छा. Now is it okay? अब आवाज आई ना? So this was the physics lab and we have entered the gate number 1 of physics lab. And now let me give you the overview of the physics lab once. Please everybody sideways. So बिल्कुल सर ये खोलते जाइए. सर we are having बिल्कुल ammeters, sir ammeters and galvanometers and this one खोलिए पूरा खोलिए left को. हाँ. Yes, I am moving to next rack. प्रिज्म वगैरह. या सर नेक्स्ट वाला देखिए स्टोरेज. सर इन सबके ऊपर भी रखे हुए, इन सबके ऊपर भी अलग से इंस्ट्रूमेंट रखे हुए हैं सर. मैं स्टोरेज भी आपको पूरा दिखा रहा हूँ बट ये ऊपर भी सेट पे इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स रखे हुए हैं. और सब लेबल्ड हैं. ये पीएन जंक्शन डायोड, जीनर डायोड, resistor is there, the NPN transistor is there,
show the exhaust.
half deflection is there. Yeah, sure. बिल्कुल बात ये उसके बाद एक तो ये exhaust on this side. And we are having extinguisher also. Stop register लाइए. Yeah, just yeah, this is the SOPs of lab. In the meantime, you can see more instruments. हाँ, stop register अभी देखो. Eventual stop register दिखाइए. This is the size. She is interested in stop register. Even sir, stop register. अच्छे से yeah, sure. Is it okay, ma'am? Right now, index, ammeter. Should I move ahead? Yes. What is it? 42. इसी पेज पर अमोनियम क्लोराइड भी लिखा हुआ है। दोनों का पेज नंबर 42 ही है सर। Yes sir, next. नहीं वो तो फिजिक्स में भी केमिकल यूज होते हैं, वो वाले हैं ना सर। अमोनियम क्लोराइड और कॉपर सल्फेट, इन दोनों की जरूरत पड़ती है सर के फिजिक्स लैब में। डेनियल सेल और एक्लांचिया सेल होते हैं, उन दोनों में जरूरत पड़ती है सर इनकी। Just hold sir, कुछ excuse me for a moment, technical glitch हुआ है सर। हाँ सर।
ऊपर बटन मत दबाओ, नीचे से पकड़ो, नीचे की ऐसा पकड़ो, नीचे की ऐसा।
Again sir, I will give you। हाँ हाँ बिल्कुल सर, बिल्कुल सर। From which we are exiting, exhaust was also there. We are coming back to the gallery. This is the gate number 2 physics lab. Now we are entering to physics lab dimension. Just wait, it's 1200 square feet. I just 900 plus. 947 something. Is it okay, sir? Sure, sir. I am going further to the chemistry lab. Now this is the chemistry lab, gate number 1. This is the complete overview of the chemistry lab. This is the storage of the, this is the workstation. Then we are having storage this side. Then we are having storage on that side also for chemistry lab. I'll just come up to there. This is one more storage which we have created. Wash basins are there. Few additional wash basins have been placed, sir.
Sir, how you are managing here the gas connections for chemistry lab?
Here it is a gas pipeline, ma'am. I'll just show you the gas pipeline. This is the gas pipeline, ma'am.
Right.
Where is the cabin located for gas cylinders?
The cylinder is in the gallery, sir, outside the laboratory.
Sir, chemistry lab exhaust fan is showing.
हाँ, exhaust fan दिखाते हैं सर आपको. I'll just move to exhaust fan. इसे on भी कीजिए भाई. This is the exhaust fan of the chemistry lab. On one corner, and there is another exhaust fan on the another corner. I'm just moving to that corner now. This is the
Concentrated acids. Space for that?
Shiven sir, where are we keeping concentrated acids?
Chemicals.
Yeah, Shanuma will tell. Shanuma, where are we keeping concentrated acids?
Concentrated sulfuric acid.
This is the storage one.
And that's it. Or 3 acid.
Show you from a distance.
No, I can see that. Only thing is they should not be at the reach of the system.
Okay. Ma'am, we'll have to ensure that they should not get the reach of the children.
Yes.
Okay, so they should be locked or something will have to be there. We'll arrange for the locking system.
It is a standard there or you can buy
Okay, sir. Sure, sir. Button, sir. Sir, the fuming chamber. We have these things now. Children rooms are also there. Let me have a moment for sir. This is there. Always and never. Science lab safety rules. Okay, so we will proceed for the bio lab now. We are moving into the, this is the second exit of the chemistry lab. We will enter bio lab now. This is the bio lab now. This is the overview of the lab from the gate itself. This is the fire extinguisher at the start itself in the bio lab. Then this is the exhaust. One of the exhaust and second of the exhaust is in the back corner. Then I'll show you what the material. This is the exhaust. Yeah, ma'am. Now. Number of microscopes, sir. 11 compound microscopes. And 3 dissecting microscopes are there. I'll show you the image also. This is the compound microscope. And one is there. Sir, compound microscopes. Now here storage, I'll just show you from the distance. Here biometric storage बनाना है. इसमें ये माइक्रोस्कोप रखे हुए हैं. उसके अलावा ये नीचे भी स्टोरेज है, इसमें भी माइक्रोस्कोप रखे हुए हैं. सर वो वाला गेट खोलिए, वो वाला गेट खोलिए. इसमें भी माइक्रोस्कोप है. Yeah, ma'am. This is one of the wash basin. And I'm going to the second one now. This one is there. Pardon, sir? Acha, one tap to be fixed for oil washing up. Very good suggestion, sir. We will ensure it to be open, sir. That's a very good idea, sir. So, now are we done with bio lab? Ma'am, whatever you cost. These are placed. We'll ensure it to make it very soon, sir. We'll ensure to make it happen very soon, थोड़ी सी आवाज बढ़ाइए.
Kindly purchase the binocular microscope for teacher use.
Okay.
As per the purchase, we have purchased 11 microscope, binocular and 3 dissected.
And also purchase some microscope accessories.
Rate?
You have many microscopes. You purchase accessories for microscopes also.
Sure.
Sure. Definitely, sir. Definitely.
And one molecular microscope with a double demonstration idea.
Definitely, sir. Definitely. Thank you, sir.
The last one. Thank you.
Can I proceed further?
Sure, ma'am. Now, all 3 labs are there now. This is the fire safety bucket, ma'am, placed between the labs.
इधर एक्शन पे मेरे हाथ
Now we are moving into the composite science lab.
सेफ्टी मेजर
Safety rules and all these things are pasted for the students. At the outside of the lab also display boards are there. Then this is the I just try to give you the overview from the gate itself. This is the overview, ma'am.
Yeah, we could take out.
Okay. Now, as per the instructions, we have made it in 3 parts. The right part is for physics now, basically dedicated to physics. The front part is dedicated to chemistry. This one, and that left part is now mostly dedicated to bio. And in the center, we are having the workstations for the students. 2 tiled tables have been prepared. I think I am able to show you the workstations, ma'am.
Yeah, yes, sir. I mean,
These are the workstations for the students.
1 2 3 4 5
Okay.
6
So we'll go to maths lab. Or any questions?
sir, is asking, sir.
Sir. Sir.
These lab items are taken into lab stock register. Can you show the date on which stock is taken?
So please, I'll just check the stock register.
which one
On which date these things were purchased?
schedule 2019 let's see
All the equipment, sir?
bills are there on 12 March 12th of March month
Sir, they are purchased on the 12th of March. Last purchasing is made on 12th of March, sir. I'll show you the bill on the. This is the bill, sir.
It is okay. It is entered in the stock register.
Yes, sir. It has been entered. I'll show you the stock register also.
What is the one item entered in stock register?
Just show any one item which has been entered in the stock register. बार मैग्नेट नहीं यहाँ बिल में फर्स्ट हो ना बिल का दिखा रहा है अच्छा सर दिस इज द एंट्री ऑफ 12th lab is there. We'll move to the math lab now. Yeah. Now we are moving to the math lab. This is the math lab area. This is the gate number 1 of math lab. I am giving you the overview of the math lab. Okay. We are having these workstations in the center now with the stools as per instructions. These are the workstations. And in the last we are having the storage. Any questions about this lab now? Yeah, this one is having this fire extinguisher. This is the area of this lab, ma'am, which is more than 600. And these are the exhausts, which I must show you once. This is the exhaust. This is the exhaust. And we are having one wash basin even in the master. Toilet of the 4th floor. Because we have, I think everything has been completed except the CWC toilet of the. Ma'am, sir, can we have the chair? Wheelchair? So now we are moving to wheelchair is moving in front of me. We are going to the 3rd floor of the school. Right now we are. भैया ऊपर नीचे.
जो आप साथ में रहो
Sorry, ma'am. Sorry, I got disconnected. Now. हाँ बिल्कुल now. Yeah. Do you want me to start from starting? This is our gallery of the floor number 3, ma'am.
हेलो यस मैडम पुष्पा मैडम आपसे तो मेंबर्स कुछ बात करना चाह रहे हैं तो प्लीज आप रिस्पॉन्ड कीजिए मेंबर्स
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Ma'am, also how do you describe this? 2 sentences है.
यस मैडम
उसके बारे में क्या उसके बारे में क्या बोलते हैं?
सर मयंक सर से पूछिएगा कि मैं विजिबल हूँ क्या इसमें? मयंक सर विजिबल.
रिकॉर्ड में अच्छा लगा.
Okay. So, may I continue, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Sir, one CWS. So may I intervene?
And even the documents also, and 2 undertakings you are giving, that is regarding CPF and letter, yes, state